I wasn't looking for anything special that day. It was just a normal Sunday. I had gone to the flea market to look for books, maybe a warm scarf. But then I saw it on the corner of an old wooden table. Something small, furry, and strange. It had a funny little face, big ears, and wild eyes. It made me laugh right away. "What is that?" I asked the woman selling it. She shrugged and said, "Oh, I don't know. It's called Labubu or something like that." Labubu. I had never heard the name before. There was something about it. It looked like trouble, but the good kind. Like the kind of toy a child might love forever. I asked how much it cost. $20, she said. Not cheap for a flea market toy, but it felt special. So I bought one. Then I bought another, and one more. 3 Labubus in total. They came home with me in a crinkled paper bag. I didn't have a plan, but I thought maybe Max would like one for Christmas. A few weeks later, Max started asking about something. Something strange. Something called Labubu. I smiled quietly to myself. I had 3 of them hidden in my closet. But Max didn't just want it. He was looking everywhere. He went to the toy store, the comic shop, even the flea market. And every time he came back, he looked more and more disappointed. He said it was the only thing he wanted. He looked tired, sad, but still hopeful. That evening, I called him. "Come visit me," I said. He came in quietly. No big smile, no bouncing feet. Just Max trying to be okay. I asked him what was wrong. He looked up and said, "I can't find a Labubu anywhere, Grandma." My heart melted. I didn't plan to give it early. I really didn't. But I couldn't wait any longer. I went to the back room, opened the top shelf of the closet, and took one box down. Just one. It was red with a silver ribbon. Simple, but special. I walked back to Max and handed it to him. He looked confused. "Open it," I said. He pulled the ribbon, lifted the lid, and when he saw it, his face lit up like Christmas morning. "A Labubu!" he shouted. "Where did you find it?" I smiled and said, "I found it before everyone else wanted one." Max hugged me so tight I couldn't breathe. He was so happy, so thankful. He didn't know I still had 2 more. He'll get another one for Christmas. Maybe a different color. or one with a tiny hat, he'll be surprised again. But this one, the first one, was for the moment he needed it most. Sometimes the best gifts aren't about holidays. They're about love and timing. I'm glad I gave it to him early. I'm glad I listened. And I'm glad I bought more than one that day at the market. Because you never know when something small can bring someone big joy.
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.